Hello everyone, my name is Jagdish. I will be showing the demonstration here. So we have the Arduino here. This is the DHT sensor. DHT sensor has the values. The relative humidity is 12 and the temperature is 21 degrees Celsius. So the data will be read, or the humidity and temperature will be read by the DHT sensor, and it will be transferred to Arduino. Arduino will control the speaker, also transfer the data to LCD. It will show the output on the LCD. And also this is the COM pin which is been connected to COM1. So the data will be transferred from Arduino to the COM pin. COM pin in turn will transfer the data to the virtual port which is COM1. Then the data will be transferred to COM2 through this particular software which connects COM1 to COM2. Right now both the ports are closed. Once we start the simulation, both the ports will open up. We have this Python script. This script will be used to read and write the data, to read the data from COM2, to read the data from the port number 2, which is the COM2. We can see here, yeah, this is here. So it is reading the data from COM2 and publishing it on the ThingSpeak cloud. Here we have the ThingSpeak cloud. We can see the data on ThingSpeak. So this is the temperature values, these are the humidity values, and this is the time when they are being uploaded. This is the gauge wherein we can see from 20 to 25 is the green limit. After this, if the temperature values goes below this limit, below this 20 degrees Celsius, this low temperature lamp will glow. And if the temperature goes above 25 degrees Celsius, the high temperature lamp will glow. The same thing will happen for the humidity as well. We can see there we have a lamp for high humidity and a lamp for low humidity. So we will start now the simulation. So I'll start the simulation now. So here the simulation has been started. We can see the data will be here, temperature being 21 degrees Celsius and the relative humidity being 12%. So we can see now that this COM1 port has been opened because this COM pin has started sending the data, but COM2 port has not opened yet because we haven't started taking the data out of the COM2, which needs to be done. And if I run this code, the COM2 will open up because the data will be read from here. So since the program has started, we will be able to see this port opening. Yeah, so now this port has opened, and this particular code is now sending the data or publishing the data to the ThingSpeak cloud. Here we can see the data being transferred. We can see the data is now getting published on the ThingSpeak cloud. Here we have the values and these are the lamps. I'll change the values of DHT sensor. I'll go with relative humidity. I'll increase the relative humidity to about 25%. So now we can see the relative humidity has been read here, which is 25. Now it will be published on the ThingSpeak cloud. We will be able to see a pic in here. Just give it a second. Yeah, we can see now has got updated. Has got updated here to 25 degrees, 25%. Equivalent data will be updated here. It is not, we are not able to distinguish because we haven't changed the data value here.